So I want to see from which source the opportunities are coming and then which stage they are. And then on the amount column, we want to put up a bucket saying that if the closed amount is below 50,000, it's a small opportunities. So 50 to 70, it's a medium. More than 1 lakh, it's a big opportunity. So like that, I want to segregate. Okay. So go to setup. So no need to go to just go to report. So this is how the report interface look like. So by just clicking new report, we can create a report. New report Salesforce Classic. You can create a report in Classic environment. We can also create a folder and store the reports. The reports whichever you opened recently, created by you, shared with you, and the whichever you kept in a private so that they cannot access. Public report anyone can access all reports, and we can also create a folders created by me, shared with me, and the reports I can keep in a favorite. I can see in the favorites. So just click new report. Okay. So when we click new report, so the report interface opened. Okay. So now here it is asking select the report type. Report type is nothing but on which table you want to create the report. So select the table, start report. So now just update preview automatically. Okay. Now go to filters, show me all reports. Okay. Created by me or shared with me. So my opportunities are team opportunities, everything. I have selected all. Close date, I'll select all time. Or you can go with the customizer date. Okay. Or you can go with the yearly wise, quarter wise, calendar month wise, day wise, week wise, however you want. You will say all time. Select apply. Okay. Next. So once you come here, okay, just 1 minute. Now, so we can remove the columns whichever we don't want, and you can go to the filters. I can select the cross filters. Let's say I want to see opportunity with product or without product, with activity, with role, however you want. So I don't want to put up anything. So go to outline. So here these columns, if you don't want, we can select the drop down remove, and we can also remove from here. So I just selected and removed whichever I don't want. I want to add some column. Let's say amount column. Add it. We can add from here, or we can also go to the fields from here. Also, we can add. Just double click, it will get added. Now, if you don't want to remove, now you can just move up if you wherever you want. From here also you can move. Change the placement. So I want to do a row grouping. So let's say lead source, and then if you do a row grouping, then column grouping when available, lead stage wise. Okay, and then on amount column I want to add bucket. I'll say level below 50,000. Lead source, and then mid stage. Okay, see. So web total one closure, purchase phone inquiry. So five closures we have from external referral. So if we click those five records, it shows in the bottom. Now save and run. And the opportunity report. And the report. My report. So this is how we can create reports. The once we created, anytime we can edit. It will also sync with the real data. If any data new records are coming, it will get updated automatically. So we can also edit anytime. We can also subscribe. If you subscribe, so daily, weekly, monthly, however the user is expecting on his email ID, we can send. Okay, time wise, we can send as an attachment. While attachment formatted or detailed view, we can also add recipient here. Okay, if you don't want, we can remove. Next, so we can also run with other name, another person name. We can also put up the conditions if you want. Okay, summary plus report or only summary. If you save, the subscription will be added. You'll be getting an email on our email like this. Okay, now so we can also edit. So we can also add other report to this. That is what giant report. Giant report like add block, select table, add block. Like this, you can club two tables together. That is what joint report. This one. Now let me show you how to create a report in Classic. New report. New report Classic, Salesforce Classic. Select the table, create. All accounts, all time. If you want to add any column, you can add just by using drag and drop. If you don't want, we can also remove. Now here you have to understand the types of reports: tabular, summary, matrix, joint. So tabular means whatever you see. Summary means row column in the lightning. Matrix means row and column. Okay, row grouping and column grouping. This is a row grouping. Summary. Matrix means row and column grouping in lightning. Join means we can also add some other table to this. Okay. I'll not create, but I'll showing the options. So this is how we can create the reports. Any questions? Now dashboard. What is a dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but a pictorial representation of your report is nothing but a dashboard. A pictorial representation of your report is nothing but a dashboard. So it's a grid model. By just clicking new dashboard, we can create a dashboard. So we can also create a folder and we can keep the dashboard in the folder. Okay. So the dashboard which we created recently created by me, whichever I kept in a private dashboards, all dashboard. And I can also create a folders. So created by me, shared with me. I can also make them as a favorite. So click new dashboard. It's a grid model. So on this grid, we can add the dashboard. Click component. Select the report. So we can represent it in different formats. Horizontal bar, vertical bar, stacked horizontal, stacked vertical, line in, donut, metric, whole chart, funnel chart, scattered chart, lightning table. Okay. On the x-axis, on the y-axis. Stage wise, you can see lead source, hardware record count, you can use the subtitle, footer title. These are the legend points you can see in bottom or right side. Add component. You can also edit anytime. So both the reports and dashboards will get synced with the data every 1 minute. You don't need to run any sync. If any new records are getting, it is get updated. See, you don't need to refresh. The dashboard will get updated every 1 minute. You can also subscribe daily, weekly, monthly, however you want. Okay. So once you subscribe, you can also add a sequence here. So once we add the subscription, the email will get. Okay. Now, so with you can also delete, download. Okay. So with this, we are done with reports and dashboards. Any questions? Next, deployment. Have you created any one of your practice environment? Please put the user ID and password in the chat if you created. So what is a deployment means? So whatever the changes that we made, okay, that we want to move from one system to another system, that is what deployment. So we talk about sandboxes in the previous class, right? So we have a four type of sandboxes, right? Developer sandbox, developer pro. Sandbox is nothing but a copy of production. So we have a four type: developer sandbox, developer pro, partial copy, full copy, sandbox, right? So now whatever the changes that we made here, we want to test. That's we will move from one system to another system. That is what deployment. So how you can make the changes into? We have to convert them as a packages. So just go to the package. That package will move to the other system. There we will install. So package is nothing but collection of changes that you made. It may be an Apex class, it may be a Visual Force page, it may be an email template, it may be an object created, app created, whatever you will do. Okay. Go to package manager. If not, no one created a practice environment. I'll show you the steps you can do whenever you have time. Go to packages, click new. You can give the package name. Something I'll just give as a test. And then save. Now you can add component, add nothing but whatever changes that you made, you can add. Now what you can add, see all these you can add. Okay. I just selected an app, add to package. Now in this app, whatever we club, everything will come. Okay. These are changes that we made. Then upload. And then give the version name, I'll say something that you have to give this format. And you later, if you are adding some more things to this package, then it will become the next version 1.2, 1.3 like that. So while this package is going to be installed in another system, you want to be a password protected, you can give the password. Upload. Now it will create a package. Anyone created a practice environment? Please share in the chat if you created. Now this URL we have to take and go to the other system. There we have to upload. Okay. Now we'll log out from here. Okay. I'll show you. I'll log in for different system, but we cannot success. But I'll show you. So once you log in here, you just copy from the package. From package you have to copy. And just copy this URL and I log into this other system. So from this lightning, just paste. And then you are. Now you want to install this test package to only admins, all users, or only specific profile. I want to install to all users. Install. Failed because same thing is there in this system. Same object, same fields, everything build. Okay. But if you have other system, if you create a developer edition freshly, in that it will install. It will become success. Okay. So please do practice. Any questions? So we are done with these codes. I'll be sending all the recordings to you along with this uh, practice in test papers, certification related and question and answers